Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your English class. Dear students, today we are going to do extra exercises of lesson number 3. So, what are you anyway? Exercise A. Underline the noun phrase in each sentence and circle the head word. Then, identify the words that modify the head word before or after it. Here, dear students, in this exercise, we have been asked to underline the noun phrase and we have to circle the head word, and then we have to identify the words which are modifying the head word. For example, sentence number 1, as you can see, a group of young is underlined. A group of young people is underlined because it is a noun phrase. And the word people is circled because it is a head word. Then, beneath this sentence number 1, head word modified by a group of young is written. Here, it has been told that the head word is being modified by the words a group of young. Now we will move on to sentence number 2. The girl in the yellow skirt is in my class. Here, the girl in the yellow skirt is a noun phrase. We have to underline the girl in the yellow skirt. And we have to circle the word girl because girl is a head word. Then we will write down head word modified by the in the yellow skirt. Now we will move on to sentence number 3. My favorite period at school is geography. My favorite period at school is a noun phrase. Here, the word period is the head word. So, we will underline my favorite period at school and we will circle the word period because it is a head word. Then we will write down head word modified by my favorite at school. Now we will move on to sentence number 4. His old and rickety bicycle is in need of repair. Sentence number 4. His old and rickety bicycle is a noun phrase. We will underline these words and we will circle the word bicycle because it is a head word. Then we will write down head word modified by his old and rickety. Sentence number 5. We did a project on eco-friendly ways to recycle waste. Here in sentence number 5, eco-friendly ways is a noun phrase and the word ways is a head word. So, we will underline eco-friendly ways and circle the word ways because it is a head word. Then, under the sentence number 5, we will write down head word modified by eco-friendly. Sentence number 6. They organized a tour of modern robotics lab yesterday. A modern robotic lab is the noun phrase. So we will underline it. Lab is the head word. So we will circle the word lab. Then we will write down head word modified by a modern robotics. Now we will move on to exercise B. Underline the noun clause in each sentence. What was most striking was the sight of colorful kites flying everywhere. We will underline what was most striking because it is a noun clause. Sentence number 2. The principal announced that we would plant more trees in our school. We will underline that we would plant more trees in our school because it is a noun clause. Sentence number 3. It is a great pity that our cities are overflowing with garbage. We will underline that our cities are overflowing with garbage. Sentence number 4. Many people feel that trees should not be cut for widening the roads. We will underline that trees should not be cut for widening the roads. It is the noun clause. Sentence number 5. I wonder whether I should volunteer for the beach cleanup campaign. We will underline whether I should volunteer for the beach cleanup campaign. Sentence number 6. The success of the event depends on who is organizing it. We will underline the clause who is organizing it. Now we will move on to words and use exercise. Look at the highlighted words in these sentences and think about their meanings. Then rewrite each sentence to bring out the meaning. You can write more than one sentence if necessary. Sentence number 1. I took a sip of the drink and grimaced it. I had forgotten to add sugar. Here we will look at the bold words and then we will think about their exact meaning. I took a sip of the drink and frowned with disgust. I had forgotten to add sugar. Now we will read sentence number 2. What baffles me is how the thieves got into the house without breaking any of the locks. Solution for sentence number 2 is I was puzzled to find that the thieves broke into the house without breaking any of the locks. Sentence number 3. Regina's lips quivered when she saw the boys hitting the stray cat with stones. Solution for sentence number 3. Regina was heartbroken to see the boys hitting the stray cat with stones. Sentence number 4. My mouth dropped when I saw Usain Bolt run the 100-meter race in 9.58 seconds. Solution for sentence number 4. I was amazed to see Usain Bolt run the 100-meter race in 9.58 seconds. Sentence number 5. I swallowed hard when I saw how high the mountain we would be climbing was. Solution for sentence number 5. The very idea of climbing up the high mountain made me panic. Sentence number 6. Nikhil didn't want his uncle to leave. He pleaded with him to stay for a few more days. Solution for sentence number 6. Nikhil didn't want his uncle to leave. He begged with him to stay for a few more days. Dear students, that's all for today. I hope this video will help you in completing your work in your fair books and notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.